Not exactly a bad day, is it? I'm working on this Q50 today, and it's a pretty nice car, I'm not gonna even lie. Really nice feel. It's got the same key as a GTR and also the same paddle shifters from a GTR as well, which is kind of surreal to be in this car. But yeah, I'm basically working on this car, doing an ambient light install. The owner of the car has already got a lot of the actual stuff. I'm a bit excited to work on a car like this because I've never actually worked on a Nissan like this or anything like that. Well, I shouldn't say Nissan, an Infinity like this. They're quite decent looking cars. Just looking at the car at the moment, it does look good. And as I'm showing you around, the doors and everything like that, they all look pretty nice. What I will say is with this car, gonna look at stripping everything down, as you guys already know, and then from there look at showing you all what I need to do, install everything. So first up, show you all around. So yeah, this should be fun. I'm just gonna start taking apart the car right now and then showing you all what I end up doing. Probably gonna do one of the passenger doors and center console first, so let's have a look. Now the center console, from what I've seen, I think it just pops off a lot of it. Yep, there we go. That's nice. That was super easy. Didn't even need to use my trim removal kit. Let's see. This. Yep. Okay, so that's screws probably for this black area here. So let me just see. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Might need two hands for this part. Gonna try and see if I can do it though with one hand, because you gotta basically separate this silver part. Yep. Oh no, I have been able to do it with one hand. That's good. Oh, that's some good access to everything back down here. Okay, brilliant. That should make life. There's all the wiring. It is extremely windy, by the way, so if you hear loads of wind noise and stuff in the background, my bad. It's April, but for some reason in the UK it's extremely windy right now, so it's one of those things, and I have to be wrapped up because it's extremely cold as well. With regards to this front passenger door, the yellow wire to this white clip is live, and the black is the earth, which is just there, as you can see, those two pins, which works well because it's the same with this, but the colors aren't the same. The black is the earth and this white is the live. So similar layout to the front door, and I'm hoping the other two doors are going to be the same. I'm pretty much finished with the front passenger door. So we've got the light coming through. If you undo a couple of these screws, you basically can slide this whole thing away a little bit and you can pop the ambient lighting thread all the way around. So I've got that going through. I drilled a hole right at the top corner, just up there. You can actually undo this screw here and a screw here, and then you can get nice access to this part, drill it in, and I've used some hot glue to get that on. Just down at the bottom there, I have to tear this up a little bit so you can get access to it. Drilled in the hole for the storage light, and then that's that door all done. Just gonna connect it up, give it a quick little test and see how it goes. So I finished up these two doors and I wanted to show you all what it kind of looks like comparing this kit and the fibre optic going across the door with the standard door. So as you can see, it's very hard to tell. In fact, I need to put that plastic trim back on there. There we go, fixed. But if you have a look at that compared to what this door looks like, it's very hard to tell that the ambient lighting is even in. Again, the important thing is going for a clean install, getting everything looking really super nice. Yeah, so time to take these two doors off and get the same work done here. The wind. All right, let's talk about how to remove the door cards. So with the top area here, you just gotta, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yes, you can. Voila, just pop that off. And then just in here, this is actually rubber, this whole piece at the bottom. So you just gotta get underneath it, bit by bit, pull it up. It just comes out. So you got a Phillips screw in there and a 10mm bolt there. It's the same with the rear doors as well, just there and there. After you've taken all that off and you've taken off the 10mm bolt and the Phillips screw, you'll be able to just pop everything right off. You don't even need a trim removal piece. You just gotta take off this rubber grommet here. These two rubber grommets, they're good to remove now instead of having them fly off later. But once you just take it off, if you grab it over here, it all just pops off. There we go. Voila, doors off. So I thought I'd show you all what it looks like when you get the hole drilled in. So there's the hole that I've drilled in. It's just towards the back here. I'll put the sleeve back in and then I'll check to see roughly where the hole is going to be, just to make sure that it clears it. And yeah, that's where the hole is. Now I'm just going to glue around this and get the other light on. So get the hot glue going. Now you see that should not move anymore. That's good. So another little update for everyone. The wires that go to the little switch over here on the silver piece, this guy here, the red wire to it is alive and the black, oh gosh, the lighting is so bad. Let me get, all right, let's try that again. So the white connector here, so the red is alive and the black, oh, let me see. The black just over there is the earth. That is what I'm going to be using as a live and earth for the main command light, which is the footwells. And I've actually just pushed them through on the sides, just on each side of the center console, slid them under and into the right areas. And yeah, so that's the live for all of that and earth. That's going to only turn on with the headlights. All the lights and everything will all work in correlation with that. Now I'm just going to wire in a couple more ambient lights for the center console and then we'll be done. Everybody, I have finally got the car done. Center console is done just the way customer wanted it. So now it's time for me to show you all what the car looks like. So without further ado, let's go inside. So yeah everyone, that's the car done. I hope you all did enjoy the video. If you did, please make sure to give that like button a nice little hit. And also if you wanted to get in touch with me over any installs or anything like that, please hit me up on Instagram. You can hear me talking.